may be looking into stocking up on cough drops as this fall season and winter season come about. So I wanted to read to you something from Sarah Harnish's new book called Fearless. And she compares the ingredients in a popular cough drop and the ingredients in one called Thieves cough drops, which are from Young Living. So she says that the ingredients in the cough drops of this popular cough drop are sugar, glucose syrup, glucose fructose syrup, water, stabilizer, acids E270, E330, concentrated black currant juice 0.26%, flavorings, acidity regulators, emulsifier, soy lecithin, eucalyptus oil, FD&C Blue 2, FD&C Red 40, and flavors. So her analysis is the first three ingredients are sugar, which we know feeds bacteria, including the bad bacteria that may be making you sick. There are at least 4 kinds of dye and artificial flavors that can hit your immune system, and that's just the start. You can see there's also food dyes which wreak havoc in our bodies and several other things you may not want to ingest. So even though it has eucalyptus oil in it, it has all these other bad ingredients. So you may want to skip that this year and look into the Thieves cough drops. So what are the ingredients in this one? Cinnamon bark oil, clove bud oil, eucalyptus radiata leaf oil, isomalt, lemon peel oil, pectin, peppermint aerial parts oil, rosemary leaf oil, stevia extract, and water. That's it. Her analysis: stevia and water and oils are the only things in this cough drop. And the first few ingredients are not sugar, they're essential oils. Isomalt is a sugar alcohol that is natural and is friendly to your teeth. There are no bad ingredients. This is definitely a better choice. So there you go. There you have it. Which one will you prefer? So if you prefer the Young Living one and you have your Young Living account, then get that this month. And if you want to get them but you don't have a Young Living account, then you can either contact me or contact anybody who is a sponsor in Young Living, and we'll be happy to help you get your account and get them ordered so that you can stock up this month on these cough drops.